Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing. And today, we're going to be unboxing this puppy right here, the POWERADD Pro. This is a 50,000 milliamp hour battery, and it has a digital, but it says digital fast charging portable charger. So this right here will set you back at $45.99. Normal price is $69.99. So I think that's a good price, guys. But before we go any further, let's give you some of the specs. This is a 65-watt USB-C portable charger with LEDs display, fast charging capabilities, fast charging compatible with laptops, MacBooks, iPhones, Samsungs for outdoor camping and traveling needs. So this right here again will set you back right now on sale for $45.99. And this can charge up your computer and other things. So, hey, before we get into the eagle eye view, do me a favor, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm saying it one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. The more thumbs up we get, the YouTube algorithm gods say, hey, people like it, and they will push it out further. All right? Without further ado, let's get to the eagle eye view. Unlimited power. This is how it looks. Had to put the camera out a little bit. 65 watts, like I said. This is everything. All right, charging multiple devices, handheld, large capacity. All right, there you go. So let's go ahead and see how this looks on the inside. Sorry for shaking the camera. We'll be using this for our unboxing knife today. There we go. Let me see if I got it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm hitting the camera. All right. Anything else I have to get? Yep, right up here. Trying to figure that. Think at the bottom? No. All right, so we're going to put this up before I cut myself. Don't want to do that. And let's see if we can get this off today. All right, so this is coming off. Okay. All right, we have the books. Don't throw those away. That's it. There's nothing else in here. As you can see, nothing else in the box. All right, so we're going to put that over there. Now, first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and open. Now, guys, this is kind of heavy, so we will be doing see how weighing it. I don't know why I can touch it. Hey, guys, I'm gonna bring it down a little bit. All right, guys, let's see what kind of wires to get first. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you, I wish they would have gave me some braided wires, but that's cool. Give me. Oh, this is pretty long, guys. It's pretty long. USB-C to USB-C. Okay. All right. Come with two. Okay. And we have USB. Okay, I like that. Okay, POWERADD. I like that. You got me a USB-C to USB-A to USB-C, so I like that. So it gave you two different types, just in case. And let's go ahead and take this out now. Again, this is kind of heavy. 50,000. That is 50,000 milliamp hour battery. All right, let's take this off. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at it around. There you go, POWERADD at 65 watts. There you go. Okay, have a little light up here. Okay, box style. Okay, we have, let's see if I'm put it up here right. All right, so you can see that we have, that's a regular USB, USB-C, and we have to USB right here. It tells you out out 1, out 2, out 3. This one right here is going to be your regular charging port. If you just need to charge something up that doesn't support fast charging, this is going to be that port. These two, blue, is going to be 22.5 watts of charging, both of these. This is going to be your 65 watts charging, max charging right here. And this is going to be your input, which is a micro USB, just in case you have those lying around. I kind of like that. And then this is going to be your arm. We're going to cut it on real quick, see how much we have. We have 69%. And then we also have a light for camping. Cut it on, hit it again. And it has 3 sets of brightness, which is pretty cool. And to turn it off, you just hit the button for a little while. Should cut off. So that's what it is. Now, what we're going to do, guys, we're going to go ahead, and I want you to see the size comparison of the other power station I have. Right, guys, as you can see, both of these are power stations, but this is the door cell. This would run you regular price $100, sale price if you can find it. Normally goes between $75 and $85.99. That's on sale. As you can see, it comes with, 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus you have your wireless charging solution as well and a little container. Now, this is only 15,000 milliamp hour battery. Okay. And you can see how it is. And it has the lights as well, but the lights is around. I'm sorry, I turned it off. I'll turn it back on. As you can see, the lights is around here. And so, as you can see, costs a lot more. Now, of course, it also has the power station as well that you can put it on and to charge it up, or you can charge it up through the USB-C as well. But this right here, as you can see, guys, has 4, but it doesn't have the wireless, which is cool with me. And this is regular price is going to be $69.99. Sale price $45.99, and you're getting 50,000 milliamp hour battery plus 65 watt. Now this is 100 watts. It's 100 watts, so therefore it can charge faster. But for the price, guys, you can get something like this. It might not have the 100 watts, 65 watts, and it might not have the wireless charging, but you're getting 50,000 instead of 15,000. So guys, that's what I want to show you. These are 2 power stations and how they look, and how you can save money. But if you don't need the 100 watt, get the 65 watt, you still save money. So let's go and weigh the door cell first. We have 840 grams, and we're gonna go ahead and weigh the power station, and we'll look at 11,127 grams, which is a difference of 287 grams. So yes, this is going to be heavier, but you're getting a higher capacity. All right, okay, let's get to charging it up. And so what we're going to do first of all, just in case you have a micro sitting around, we're going to see if we can, charge it up with the micro. We're just going to use, use that, put it in, and you can see it is charging up. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and put the fast charging, just to see if you had a fast charging with the USB-A, and see if it will fast charge. Let's see. And there you go. See the word fast come up right there. So it fast charges, and you can use the micro if you need to. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to use the USB-C to USB-C. Now, normally I would just go ahead to here, but I'm going to negate that. We're just going to go ahead to the big boy right here. And I want to use the regular wire. Then we're going to try it again with the blue one to see how many watts it's getting. So we have right here, and it's fast charging, as you can see. So that works. So let's see roughly how many watts that we're getting. And so you guys see that right there. Let's put this right here like this. Hold on, let me make sure. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Turned it the wrong way. Let's see. All right, so you can see it's fast charging, but we're going to look at this number right here. As you can see, it's getting, let me get that clear. Come on, clear up. It's getting 64 to 63 watts of power. I don't know why it's not standing. Hold on, guys. I'm shaking. So as you can see, between 63 and 64. So you can see it's charging up, guys. All right, let's get into see how many devices we can charge with it. All right, guys, we're going to get her done. We'll get some things charged up. See if we can do all 4 things at one time. But I wanted to let you know, this one here is going to be your super fast charging, okay? These are going to be your regular fast charging. If you use this by itself, it will fast charge. If you use this by itself, it will fast charge. Once you start adding anything else in here, start doing 2 things, 3 things, or doing 4 things at one time, this goes down to regular charging, and this goes from super fast to fast charging. Okay, guys? So we're going to show you that. So let's get her done. All right. Boom. And we're going to go ahead and as you can see, they go to Thunderbolt, and as you can see, super fast charging. All right, so we got that done. So what we're going to do, we're going to add this right here. We're just going to put that in the regular. And every time you add something in, it's going to disconnect and connect. So as you see that, connected, came back up, and then went from to fast charging. This one is regular charge. I'm sorry, guys. This one is charging up. It's regular charge. Okay, put that here. Now we're going to go ahead and put the Pixel 8 Pro. And it's charging. So the Pixel 8 Pro is charging. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and get the Apple iPhone. Sorry, guys, the wire hit the floor. It's charging up. So everything is charging up. Everything is still going. This one says 16 minutes until fully charged. This one says charging up here. Says charging up here. And then this is still charging as well, guys. So we got 4 things charging at one time, and we're at 67%. All right, guys, let's get to the regular view. I give you my final thoughts and give the POWERADD Pro a grade. Yo, I'm back to give the POWERADD Pro my final thoughts and give this puppy a grade. Guys, I like it. You're getting a lot for your money, okay? You're getting a lot for your money. 50,000 milliamp hours. You're getting a lot for your money. At 65, you know what? You're getting a lot. You're getting a bang for your buck here. All right, let's go ahead and get to it. Finish the design. I'm gonna give it a 5. I do like the way it's designed. I do have a nitpick with it. I think the screen here should have been used to show other data, how much each port is giving off. You know, so you can see how much, energy is going to each port. So I wish they would have put that in here, but, give it the relatively the cheap price for what you're getting. I can excuse that. So I'm giving the finishing design a 5, plus you get this nice handle. So finishing design, I give a 5. Now, I call this the ports, how many ports or how many peripherals this has. Now, this does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 peripherals, 2 in with 4 outs. So, but I wish they would even put a plug in here where you could plug it up, like a wall plug it up, or they gave you another USB type C. Even if it was super fast, should have been fast charging. So you can at least, charge up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things at one time, because this can do it. Okay, guys, so I give, port selection, I give 4. Price, I give a 5. Tell you why I give it a 5, guys. This right here is $49.99 on sale. Off sale is $69.99, which is still a good price. You have this right here, guys. This is door sale. This is a 15,000 milliamp hour. This is 50,000 milliamp hour. This is $99, $100 off sale, on sale. You're looking at between 75 to 80. Okay. Yes, you do get the wireless charging. Okay, but I don't think that's worth an extra $50. Okay, so you're looking at something that's going to last longer. Okay, be able to charge up more things than this, and you're looking at $45 on sale and $69.99 off sale, which this is a $100, you know, off sale. So I think right here you're getting a lot for your money. You get 50,000 milliamp hours. 50,000, yeah, 50,000 milliamp hours, 65 watts. If you go to Anchor for the same thing, you're looking at almost $200, if not a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. If you go someone else that's a name brand, you're looking at the same thing. Okay, I was in Walmart, I think maybe a week ago, looking at one of these, and it was almost like $250. And it was some type of brand that I guess they sell. So I'm just letting you know, guys, the price, I'm gonna give it 5. So as you can see, I'm gonna tell you, go get one. This is something that you can keep in your house, keep charged up when the lights go out. You have something to keep your charge up your phone. You can charge up your Switch 2. You can charge up your laptop can be charged up with this as well, if that's important. So you have a lot that you can charge up with it. So I'm giving the price a 5. So altogether is a 4.6, guys. If it's on sale, get it. $45.99, guys. That's a wonderful price for this right here, guys. And go camping. You know, you're in your car. You can give it to your kids. They can keep their devices charged up while it's on the go. You know, so I'm just letting you know, guys, this is a really good product. So, guys, again, is a 4.6. So do me a favor, guys, before we go, please like, share, and subscribe. I want to thank my new and current, you know, for rocking with the channel, guys. Do me a favor. The more thumbs up we get, the deeper in the YouTube algorithm we go, and the YouTube gods will show favor because they say people like it, so we're going to get it out to more people. All right, guys. Again, if you need something like this, guys, like maybe a month ago, 2 months ago, or maybe a month ago, the lights went out, and I just started handing the ones out to my family. Kept their phones going, charged up, you know, their devices, and we had fun. Now, so I'm just letting you know, when things like this go on sale, grab you one. You will not regret it. Yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, a.k.a. Pastor Tet, thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing journey. Guys, please hit the notification bell wherever it lands on your screen so you can be notified anytime we drop a new video. You have a good day. We got some more unboxings coming soon. So if you do that, you'll be able to know we got some. All right, guys, you have a good day. Peace.